So the wheels on Karan's bike are 64 inches in circumference. So that's 64 inches right there. And the question is, how many times does the wheels rotate if he rides 300 yards? So if I ride 300 yards here, you're going to notice something, that we have two different forms of measurement. We have inches and yards. So what we need to do is change our yards to inches so we're all in the same measurement. And the way you do that, there are 36 inches in a yard. You multiply that by 300 and you end up with 10,800 inches. And then what you need to do is figure out how many times this 64 will go into the 10,800. And the way that we do that is to take 10,800 and divide it by 64. Figure out how many of those will go in. So when you divide that by 64, that gives you 168.75 rotations. So this problem says to round to the nearest whole number. So instead of doing 168.75, we are actually going to, and I'll write this up here because I'm out of room, 169 rotations, and that is your answer.